If we could measure what the ANC has done for black people since 1994 in comparison to what the ANC has done for the white establishment, we will quickly find out that the ANC has served the white establishment way more than it has even attempted to serve black people with a vision of self-reliance. The reason why I say this, number one, if we look at the mid to the late 80s and then the early 90s, when the apartheid government had already foresaw the reality of political power, and they knew that the ANC or the black vote was something that they could not mitigate against. They could see that the black vote and the international pressure was going to force them to relinquish power to a black government. White people, white businesses were under heavy sanctions. Big business, big players were not able to make money. So they had to find someone to open up the doors for them. And that someone was the ANC. The ANC was able to go and negotiate with the World Bank and the IMF on behalf of the white establishment. The reason why I say this is because the white establishment was smart enough to make sure that before they relinquished power or political governance to the ANC, they divided assets among themselves, including the land, game reserves. They divided assets among themselves and ensured that the state that would be run by the ANC